Okay, real quick. So I got to get in here into Photoshop. So this is the program. All right. So I have you'll have the same application. So all I did here was I grabbed. Sometimes it'll come in with the tool doubled up, single row like that. I like to hit this little arrow here and have my tools doubled up. That's just how I like to work. And all I did was grab the magic wand tool here. It's probably located inside where you see the objective selections tools and all these other tools. It's located right down here on the very bottom. It's called the magic wand tool. I have a tolerance setting of 32, and I want to make sure that contiguous here is, this box is checked. So with the current resolution that this file is at, all I did was select the white background, and notice that I have these little marching ants. That means that I created my selection. And in order to select any other color, like this gray area here, I just click on it, and it's selected all the way up to the black. Now with the zoom tool here, or you just hit Z on the keyboard to access the zoom tool, I zoom in on the areas that you also want to include in the selection, like inside here where the wing is. Go back to the magic wand tool, or click W on your keyboard, you'll get the magic wand tool. Click inside the areas that you also want to include in the selection. And you can see these items are already selected again. So then instead of deleting the image, no, cancel, wrong file. I go into the select menu up above and inverse my selection. By doing that, I can go into the layers palette and then click on create a layer mask, which is this one right here. It's right next to the FX. So when I click on that, it creates a mask of the actual background of the file, and technically it's deleting it, but it still exists in case you see, you want to look over your image, make sure that everything that's included in the mask. So since this particular file has a black background or black stroke following it, so when I selected the white on the outside, it didn't select any of the white inside the vehicle, which is kind of cool. But for whatever reason, let's say that this didn't exist and it selected some parts, you can actually go with your paintbrush tool and start white adds to the mask and black deletes to the mask. And then you can go B for your paintbrush tool, which is located right here. This is your paintbrush tool. And since white is going to add to the mask, or add to the mask, as you can see, I can paint back some of the background. So it's not necessarily deleted. Okay, edit, undo brush tool. And that's it. That's all it takes. Then just have to go to File, Save As, and then you can select the file format that you need. In this particular case, you need the PNG file format. And then just save it on your desktop or any folder, and that's it.